Hey guys, it is Thursday morning at the moment. I haven't started this weekly yet because this is the first day this week I've pretty much worn makeup. Haven't really done anything apart from be in the house. And even then I don't feel like I've been that productive. I'm gonna go and quickly do a food shop because my managers at Gleam are coming round tomorrow morning and I wanted to bake something. I'm thinking either like blueberry muffins or banana bread or more brownies. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I want to pick up the ingredients for that and dinner tonight and tomorrow night, and then I think I'm going to go and work from a cafe, or just like I'm a little bit more productive when I'm at a cafe, because when I'm at home I'm thinking of all the things other things I could be doing, like filming content, but I'm not in the mood to film content today, so that's the plan. My outfit is a bit rubbish, but when I'm working at home I just like to be really comfortable, so I am wearing just a plain black t-shirt. I think this one's from Zara, and I've tucked it in to these amazing, really comfortable, long, kind of like leopard print culottes that I got from it was a Rocket store. Just got home from the food shop, bought myself some flowers. I feel a bit sad today, I don't know why. Not really sure, probably because I haven't been productive enough this week, but I bought myself some flowers, some pink roses and some lisianthus to cheer myself up. I've also got some lunch in the oven. I'm just heating up pasta dish that I had for dinner last night, and I'm going to put all my stuff away from the food shop. I bought ingredients for my next cheese toasty for the competition, which is going, I swear this cheese toasty video will be going up next week, so stay tuned for that. But my next cheese toasty, top secret, I'm going to be doing like a meatball Mariana one, but I'll show you like me making that in that video. Tonight I've decided to make a Thai green curry, so I've got all the ingredients for that. I also found this gorgeous little fake plant in Sainsbury's for £5, I think it was on offer. So I picked it up for our bathroom because I feel like we haven't got much going on in greenery in the bathroom, and we've got some high shelves, so I thought this might be perfect. I'm excited about that. Got some new Tupperware as well because I don't know why, but Tupperware always goes missing. And I've decided that for when my managers come around tomorrow I'm going to bake some blueberry muffins, so I got all the ingredients for that. I'm not sure whether to make them tonight or do it tomorrow morning before they come, because that way they'll be nice and warm and just lovely. Also some bananas. Got some mozzarella slices for my meatball toasty, got some buttermilk. I'll show me baking these muffins. Also decided I would like to start making some bircher muesli in the morning for breakfast. So I did my research this morning and it said apple juice is good to soak the oats in overnight, but I accidentally picked up apple and pear juice. I'm hoping that will do the same kind of job, but I'm looking forward to that. Also picked up another massive avocado because we're trying to grow another avocado plant for G's parents for Christmas, and we've done about 4 or 5 different seeds now and none of them have worked. So I bought this chunky avo in the hope that this one will be the one. I am going to put this up on one of these shelves here. There we go, well cute. That's definitely what we need, a couple more of those I think. So we've got this shelf as well. And I don't think we'll put real plants on because it's like so high up. I need to stand on the toilet to get up there. Aww. Went to cafe, did a load of work. I'm feeling so much more productive now. I don't know what got into me, I was just not feeling it. I've been at home so much this week that I feel like I'm just winding myself up and needed to get out of the house. But I'm cooking dinner now. It's 7:30. I was supposed to start this like an hour ago. I'm gonna make my Thai green curry. I've also got an Olaplex hair treatment in, and I'm gonna wash my hair later as well. This guy's home from work. This is our dinner. Ooh, there we go. Thai green curry. Morning guys, it is Friday. I woke up with G this morning. I normally get up at around 8:39ish, and he wakes up 7 or just before 7, and I was like, today wake me up when you get up because I want to be productive this morning. So I've been up for a couple of hours already, just prepping. My managers from Gleam are coming around my house today, just have a catch up and show them the place. So I'm going to make some blueberry muffins now. I've also just gone round and lighted all the candles so that every room has a distinct and unique fragrance. I love doing that. It's one of my favourite things about hosting, is like what candles to burn. In my office I've got a really gorgeous one from a company called Timothy Dunn London. I've like proper saved this candle for special occasions because it's one of my faves and because it's so expensive. Looks like this. I can't remember what the fragrance is, I'll try and find it, but it smells like really like expensive and musky and like a little bit masculine. It's really nice. I don't think I've left enough time. They're going to be here in 40 minutes and I haven't even got into the oven yet. 1 teaspoon of oil. God, I got a massive bit of eggshell in it. How did I manage that? Let's do this then. Pour mixture over dry ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna swirl some blueberry jam on top of each muffin. Let's see how this goes. I think this is actually blackcurrant jam, but you know, I'm trying. God, I really hope these work. Right, and then sprinkle with this sugar that I made out of lemon zest. They look alright. These don't look too bad. Let's see how it goes.
Not 8 or something, so it was like a...
The girls have gone. The blueberry muffins were a success. They were so good. Now, I'll leave a recipe down below, but I sprinkled sugar with like lemon zest on top and it was so good. I'm gonna have some lunch now because I'm ravenous. Make a cup of tea. I'm gonna film a video. I'm gonna film an ASOS haul because I placed one yesterday and it just came. And then yeah, I might go work from a cafe again. I'm really enjoying, even though I've just got the most amazing office, I'm really enjoying working from a cafe. Just need to put this candle out. It just keeps me really like motivated. I filmed a video. I did some work on a secret project I'm working on. We have just put a pizza in the oven, having pizza for dinner. We've also read a chapter of our book and we're going to watch episode 3 of Mindhunter, which I'm really looking forward to. We've just started watching it properly. It's good. So far so good. Also, our candles from last week's candle making class arrived today. These are our candles. We're burning G's one right now. Proper Friday night. Ham, cheese and mushroom pizza. It's Saturday. We have ventured out at lunchtime to come to the Welcome Collection. They have an exhibition on that we've wanted to see for ages called The Psychology of Magic, I think it is. Psychology of Magic. That's what I said.
Oh, I thought it said Scientology.
Scientology. Psychology of Magic ends mid-September and this is our last free weekend before then, I think, so yeah. Exhibition was awesome. There were so many cool things there, like there was a chair that has actually been used for a seance, which I thought was awesome. There was loads of like really old ghost photography from, I don't know, the 1900s, 1800s, and I did my dissertation at uni all about ghost photography, so that was really cool to see in real life. After that we went to the British Library to look at some old books. And now we've come to Dishoom for some like a late lunch, early dinner. We're going to the theatre tonight to see the last performance of A Midsummer Night's Dream. Apparently they do unlimited chai every weekend, so we're sipping chai whilst we wait for a table. We are absolutely stuffed now, but we're walking down along, what is this called? Coal Yard. We're walking along a little, what is this? River? Canal. And there's a book barge down here which we've been to before really early on a date I think, and it's this guy who runs it and just owns loads of books. It's really cute. Look how adorable this is. She's got loads of books on it. So cool. We've come to the theatre tonight, and outside there's like a Chinese food festival going on. We keep stumbling upon food festivals. This one's quite cool. Panda. I have to hand my bag in now, which means I also have to hand my phone in, so I'll see you after. But if you're after a good glass of house white, come to the Bridge Theatre. It's bloody delicious, and it's a really cool setting. We're home. I met a subscriber at the theatre. She was lovely. She was there with her mate. It was an amazing performance. Bloody love Shakespeare, you know. When you see it, like when you see a good one, then it does make all the difference. We've been reading this book for how long have we been reading this? A month. We've been reading this every night for about a month. Not every night, but most nights. And look how much we've got left. We've got this much left. We've got two chapters, so we're going to finish it tonight. What's the time? 11:15. You ready? Northern Lights by Philip Pullman. We've already got the next 2 books in the series ready to go. This chapter is called Betrayal.
You should, if you did a podcast of this, I would subscribe to it.
Would you? And then, as Pantaleimon sprang awake and growled, she recognised Thorold.
Butler.
Ah, the butler. I don't know what to do. He's left no orders. I think he's mad, miss. What? What's happening? I never seen him so wild, and I don't think to argue. I never have.
Hang on, he's taken Roger.
He's taken Roger, babe. Hardly think, but... Yes, yes, she said. They circled above, a dozen of them or more, swooping down to shoot and soaring up again. It's Sunday morning. We are going to do some food shopping. These lifts though.
Infinite Snooks.
I just love bread so much.
It smells so good.
It smells so good. I think we should get a loaf. What kind of loaf do you reckon? Right, a little bit of a food shop. We're only in 4 nights this week, including tonight, so we've just got some really easy meals that doesn't require a lot because it's going to be a busy one. For tonight we have some salmon in red chilli and tomato marinade, which we've had this before, it was amazing. And we've also got a Thai marinade for salmon for 1 night. We got some ravioli, a broccoli quiche, and the rest is pretty much just sandwichy bits, apart from some vegetables. Some potatoes for the salmon this evening, which I think will be lovely. Marmite cashews. G got these green and black dark chocolate with blueberries in, which looks very interesting. I've also got like a soup I can have for lunch. Oh, and we also got a really nice looking sourdough bread. Today is my turn of the cheese toasty competition, round 2. So I'm going to be cooking my second cheese toasty. Guys, this is like a crime scene. Look! Oh my god. We are about to rate my meatball, and I layered cheese, meatball, cheese, cheese, cheese.
Technique was great, but I think because it opened,
yeah, wasn't good enough.
Wasn't good enough. So 5.
Ooh.
5 technique.
Just made dinner. Salmon, a little bit of veg, salad and rice. It is Monday morning. I am off out. I have a couple of things to do today. I need to take some returns back to Topshop, but also want to find myself a really nice pair of petite white jeans. I don't have any white jeans. I love the mom style, but if you follow me on Instagram last week, you would have seen me trying on some jeans I bought from ASOS, and I just love the vibe so much, and it just doesn't suit me because I'm so short. So I think I need to find like an actual really nice petite pair that fit. So I'm gonna go to Topshop. I need to return some stuff, pick up some jeans, fingers crossed. I'm going to a wedding this week, G's best man, and I'm wearing a dress which I absolutely love, but again was a bit too long for me, short people problems. I dropped it off to be altered and taken up a bit last week, so I'm gonna pick that dress up today, and then I'm gonna go work from Gleam. So yeah, it's gonna be quite a nice day. I've just got some videos to edit. That reminds me, I need to get my memory card out my camera so I can actually edit this. I want to be really productive this week because I'm only working 3 days, today, tomorrow and Wednesday, because then we're off to the wedding on Thursday. We're going up a couple of days early to spend some time with Jeannie's family. We're also going to Whitby after that, which will be so fun. I've never been to Whitby before, but the wedding is very nearby, so we thought we'd make like an extra trip of it. I don't know what's wrong with my face at the moment. Oh gosh, I feel like I don't look like myself. What I am wearing today is, ignore the mess of my office, it's just a pair of skinny blue jeans. These are Topshop Joni jeans, and I'm wearing this amazing t-shirt that I got for my birthday from G, from Percival. I absolutely love it. It's a little cheese plant. This is a men's clothing range, but he knew that I loved this top so much, so yeah, I'm gonna wear white trainers, and I need to pack up my bag. I am in Topshop trying on some trousers. I really wanted to love these, but they make me look like I've got balloon legs. That is a shame. They feel so soft. They'd be super easy to wear if they weren't so unflattering on my short arse. These ones are Jamie style, but they are so unflattering. They just make my legs look like sausages because they're so tight. Oh no, that's not a good look. This is why I don't like changing rooms. I prefer to do it all at home. I think I found the ones, but they're not in my size. These are the petite straight-legged white jeans, and I really like them. I like the shape it makes. They're not too tight, they're not too baggy, but they're way too tight around the waist. I'm normally a 28 and this is a 26. Oh, it's such a shame. Love these. This top is too small. These bottoms are too small. These are so flattering on short people though, the flares. I'm now at Gleam. I've made myself a packed lunch today. I've got a sandwich, crisps and a Coke. I'm home now. I'm just cooking some dinner. Tonight we're having quiche. Quiche and salad.
Real men don't like quiche. That's what they say.
Real men don't like quiche?
That's the saying, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Quiche is great. You know what, guys? Quiche has been a recent discovery for me in the last 3 or so years, and I highly regret not having it in my life sooner. But we've got a broccoli quiche. Broccoli and ricotta spinach. What was I going to say? He looks bloody gorgeous.
I think this is the best one I've made. Don't you think? Do you not think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I like them. I think it's, yeah,
Not
a good
from
one.
scratch.
Well, when I make them from scratch, I make them hot.
Like, you make them from scratch?
Waitrose have commissioned me for a quiche range. I'd like to talk about it.
This is our dinner without quiche. We've got coleslaw, avo, salad, beetroot, tomato. I've also just filmed a little bit of a video on how to grow your own avocado. So that will be upcoming if this guy decides to start sprouting roots. This is a fantastic looking dinner. We're gonna eat this on the platform. Yes, babe. The problem with living with a boy is, living with a boy, yeah, you, means that I eat exactly the same portions as you, who is a 6'3" man, and I'm a 4'11" woman.
Do you want me to eat half of your quiche?
I really don't want you to eat half my quiche, but at the same time I can't keep eating the same portion. This is why I didn't fit into any jeans today. Ah, yes. Well up for this.